Hello everybody, my name is Tyler and I'm going to perform a classical Bharatanatyam item for you. This one is called Alaripu. It's an evocatory item, generally performed near the start of a classical dance recital.
Just a second, I will let everyone know.
Alright, namaste everybody, my name is Tyler. If you don't know me already, I think most of you do though. I'm going to perform a small classical Bharatanatyam item for you called Alaripu. Alaripu means a blooming bud, like a lotus bud. Represents a young dancer offering every part of their dancing body to God. So you'll see movements of the head, the neck, the shoulders, the arms, the legs, the whole body is basically given as a offering. And this is pure nitra, pure dance, not abhinaya, storytelling. So there is a small section in there, but that's pretty much how this item goes. So I hope you enjoy. Namaste and happy Indian Independence Day. Thank you.
Do you want us to remove this dialogue? Shall we remove this?
No, it's quite. It's okay. It's quite pretty.
Tatti ya tejum tat tattam kita takaditti ya tejum tit tattam kita takadam dittam kita takadi nagararum tatti kita takadam dittam kita takadi nagararum tatti kita takadam dittam kita takadi 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 tatti kita takadam dittam jadi kita takadi tatti jadi 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 kita takadam dittam தடிக்கிட்ட தகதை ததை தடிக்கிட்ட தகதம் திதம் 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 தடிக்கிட்ட தகதை ததை தடிக்கிட்ட தகதா சித்தகிட்டஜம் ததை சித்தகிட்டஜம் தகதஜம் ததை ததிக்கிட்டஜம் தகததிக்கிட்டஜம் தகததிக்கிட்டஜம் தானி வரை பெருமாளே